Hi guys, welcome in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to work with difficult fabric and how to make a pleated dress quick and easy. Let's get to it. So I just wanted to show the fabric what I'm going to use. It is polyester and pleated already, ready pleated, and then some trim. And this is a very looks like a narrow fabric because usually the fabric are like 145 centimeter width, and this is a lot narrower because it is pleated, right? So anyway, that's the trim I'm going to use, and let's start. So the length of the dress is 41 inch. So I'm just going to measure that. That's gonna be a long dress. So when you're cutting the fabric, you have to make sure you are not cutting through the pleats, and then you're cutting them straight line. So next step is to sew the side seam. So next is to measure the elastic here. I want to have the dress here, but I also don't want to show this fat, so if the elastic it cuts in, it's not gonna look nice. So it cannot be too tight or too loose, so just have to get the right size. I think this is it. So I'm going to put an elastic under the armhole, and then here I'm going to sew maybe 1 inch, and then so this elastic fits in. I know it's bigger, but the reason I'm going to do here another stitch, and then so it's have a little bit of wrinkle on the end. Yeah, you'll see why. Okay, so I'm going to add this trim, and I'm just measuring how is it going to be, because I want it to be like this way on the back. So I put it right on the end, and here, I mean, I'm not going to wear probably bra under this, but on the same space where the other one is. So I think that's on L. Alrighty. So I'm just going to pin it, and I want it a little bit sideways. So put it here and there. Oh yeah, like that. And on the front, I already put a pin in here, so I know where am I going to put it. And it is going to be right here. So lastly, I'm just measuring 8.5 inch from here to there, and I'm going to put elastic under the breast. So I was thinking about to put it under the waist, but I'm just going to put it under the breast. Oh, it's a video. So the dress turned out good. I'm gonna show you up. Maybe.